Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing an unboxing and review of the Brother Monochrome laser printer. This model is called HL-L2440DW. Let's unbox it, set it up and see if it lives up to its reputation. Here is what we get inside the box. First, we've got the essentials, the power cord and a USB cable for direct connection to a computer or laptop. There is a quick setup guide for easy installation, product safety guide for detailing the safe usage, warranty information, and we get a troubleshooting guide for resolving common issues. We get the standard yield toner cartridge, good for up to 3000 pages. Finally, the star of the show, the printer itself, sleek, compact and ready to impress. That's everything in the box. Next, let's install the toner cartridge. For this, we need to open up the front panel of the printer and then insert the cartridge firmly until it clicks into place. Once done, we can close the front panel. Now let's set up the paper tray. We need to pull out the paper tray from the bottom of the printer. Inside the tray, you'll find sliding flaps. These can be adjusted to fit the paper size you're using. Now let's place a stack of paper into the tray. Adjust the flaps and push the tray back to the printer. With that done, it's time now to power up the printer. Let me take the provided power cable and attach it to the back of the printer and plug the other end to the wall outlet. Upon pressing the power button at the top, the printer will turn on. Once we see the printer light up, we are ready to proceed with the setup. I've already downloaded and installed the Brother Mobile Connect app from the Play Store on my smartphone. Once we open the app, we see three options. So let me click the second option, which is to register the printer to the Wi-Fi network. Upon clicking the auto detect button, the app will search for the printer. For some reason, the app could not connect to the printer, hence it is prompting me to key in the model number of the printer. It's now asking me to press and hold the Wi-Fi button for more than 2 seconds until it says check PC/device. Once I hit the confirmed button, it will prompt me to connect to the printer. It's now asking me to select the Wi-Fi network and key in the network password so that the printer can connect to the network. So we are connected and the setup is complete. It's time for a test. Let's print a PDF document to see how the printer performs. This is the quick setup guide that was provided in the box. I have downloaded the PDF version of the same from the Brother website. It has 2 pages. Now let's see how fast this can print and how the print quality looks like. There you go, we have the print. So it's crisp, sharp and the text has no smudging. It's exactly what you would expect from a laser printer. It is good for professional grade prints and it's perfect for any task as well. Here's a quick look at the specifications for this printer. It has print speeds of up to 30 pages per minute and a resolution of 1200 by 1200 dpi. There is 64 MB of inbuilt memory and connectivity options include dual band Wi-Fi on 2.5 GHz and 5 GHz band. We have the Wi-Fi direct and USB 2.0 connectivity. Talking about its features, it can do automatic duplex print. This feature enables us to print two-sided documents and booklets, thereby reducing paper and toner usage. This also helps to lower the overall operating costs and reduce the cost per print. There is a manual feed slot along with a 250 sheet enclosed input tray and a 150 sheet output tray. This ensures a straight-through paper path for thicker documents like envelopes and letterheads. One advantage of an enclosed paper tray is that it protects the paper from dust and moisture. The paper tray has flaps to hold the paper stack in place. It can be adjusted according to the size of the paper. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of this printer. Firstly, the pros. It has fast printing speeds of up to 30 pages per minute. It has wireless printing and app integration, which is very convenient as we can print from mobile phone and laptop wirelessly. The automatic two-sided duplex printing is also a great feature. It saves a lot of paper and effort if the paper were to be turned the other side manually. Now talking about the cons, I can think of 2 points. Firstly, it's a monochrome and it cannot print in different colors. The printer does not have a copy function. Most of the compact color printers these days have a scan and print feature, but that's missing in this printer. Overall, this printer is an excellent choice for those who need an efficient, reliable and high quality printer for everyday tasks. Its compact design is ideal for tight spaces. It is also a best fit for home and office use. Personally, I was looking for a printer that's compact, budget friendly and has a Wi-Fi connectivity options. I did not consider an inkjet printer because if the printer is left unused for several days, the ink in the cartridge's printer head may dry out, leading to clogging and potential printing issues. I take only the monochrome prints occasionally and not so frequent. Hence, I decided to go for laser printer, which will eliminate the ink clogging issues. For its price and features that it has to offer, I think this printer is a great choice that meets all my requirements. So guys, that's it for today's review of the Brother laser printer. If you found this helpful, please make sure you hit that like button, share this video and subscribe for more such tech reviews. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.